this video, we will see how to add voiceover into your Instagram Reels. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, which will help us to make more and more video tutorials for you. Let's get started with the video process. We need to click this plus icon and again select this Reel option. Next, in this screen, we need to select and click this Reel icon to record a 15 seconds video. Once recorded the video, we need to select the preview button in the screen. In the screen, to add any audio or voiceover, we need to click this music icon on the screen top. This is the sound captured by the phone. We can either keep it or reduce it and proceed. Next, in this screen, we can click this voiceover orange button and record our voice through the phone. Here, in the screen, we can again adjust the phone audio if required along with the voiceover we recorded. And done. Here, we can click and tag our Instagram others to our Reels or invite other collaborators to our Reels if necessary. And once we are done with the Reels creation, we can share it publicly or privately the way we want. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates. Thank you.